Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove green screen in CapCut in PC. First import the background video to the timeline. Second, import the green screen video on the top layer of the timeline. Click on the green screen. On the right side you will see that under the video remove BG, which is called remove background. Click on that, and after that click on the Chroma Key and pick the color picker and click on the green color which you want to remove, and here you can see that the background green screen is removed. Let's play and how it works. Wow, it's super easy. You can also adjust the background video to make it short, and now play it. Wow, it's super amazing and super easy. So I hope you understand how to remove green screen in CapCut in PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.